Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we going to start with today? We've got Lincoln, which, given that this is an American game, could easily make me think of presidents, but even though we've also got Grant, I think those are the only two. We've got Capote. That could be Truman Capote. Truman was a president as well, but I don't think that makes a group. A stopwatch, an alarm, ways of waking you up. A hose and light. I mean, that feels unlikely. Let's try something else. Fleece and hustle. And shaft. They mean the same thing. What's the other one? Oh, hose. Okay, so hose doesn't go in the other group if it goes here. And it does go here. Good, they all mean to swindle. What next? An accord. That's like either a car or like a treaty. Or maybe it's like a grant. Maybe it's not a surname at all, but it's a different kind of grant, something that gives you money. I mean, it could be grant, award, and accord, but I don't know what the fourth one would be. What else? You can have a ray of light, but those are just two different words in the grid. What else? What's Lincoln going to be? It's either a name or, I mean, it's a type of car. I suppose it could go with accord, but then I've got no idea what the other two would be. Maybe there's a Capote car and a Grant car, but none of the others seem plausible. And that doesn't explain what's going to happen with vest. Invest, divest. I don't think sunvest is a word, which is a shame because, of course, sunlight is. Interesting. I mean, we're going to have to go for something, aren't we? Award and grant feel similar, but I still don't quite understand what two are going to go with it. And what about stopwatch? It's a way of timing something, and so is the date. It still could be It still could be these four, really, couldn't it? Oh no, but I said hose instead of date, didn't I? I mean, they're all ways of telling the time, but they're sort of not. But they're all connected with time. I just don't feel like it's remotely likely to be correct. But I suppose we'd better try something. They're just digital watch features. Fair enough. That's not quite connected with telling the time. That's a bit more vague. I'll forgive myself for not working that out exactly. What else? If it is a Walder called Grant, what could the fourth one be? Or is it more likely to be Grant, Lincoln, and Accord, and Capote perhaps for car types? Milk and vest. They don't really seem to fit in any of the groups that I've come up with so far. Is there some such thing as a milking top and a vest top? I don't really see how that would help. It's not going to be Lincoln, though, is it? I'm kind of getting confused between cars and monetary awards. A grant, an award, an accord, and a vest. I don't know. It is. They mean to confer? Interesting. An award, an accord, a grant, and a vest. I mean, that's why I went for vest, because I was thinking of, like, divesting. I'm not quite sure I understand that group. Anyway, what about these? Best actor winning biopics. Oh, I've heard of Ray. I've never heard of Milk. But yeah, obviously Capote and Lincoln must be biopics of the people that I already mentioned. And then Ray is Ray Charles, is it? But I don't know about Milk. Wow. So, we got through it without making any mistakes. I'm not quite sure how, because I didn't know 3 of the groups almost. But with some educated guesses, we've got through it. Let me know how you got on with this one, because it was a bit tough, I think, but it was also not too many red herrings, so a mixed bag. Anyway, thank you for watching, and bye for now.